go to advanced option and select troubleshoot. Okay, and then restart your PCs. Okay, so click on and restart your PC and enter your Windows initial recovery media insert and turn and then set up your repairer. Okay, so choose your account and enter your password okay, password and create, and then diagnosing your PC. Okay, so sometime already. Okay, start up repairer. Okay, so advanced options and choose the troubleshoot and advanced option and this start repairer, fix problem and keep Windows from loading. Okay, so choose these options and as you can see your PC again and then wait, and then problem is solved. Okay, so then shut down power button, press, and then on your computer, open your computer, then open my computer is fully complete and press your password and my password. Okay, and then full complete. See, and please subscribe my channel and please like, comment, share my video. Thank you for watching.